Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Deliniadores is probably one of the most essential tools in any makeup artist's kit, offering precision and versatility for creating a wide range of eye looks, from subtle definition to dramatic winged liner. Whether you're a beginner looking to master the basics or a seasoned pro seeking the perfect product for intricate designs, choosing the right delineator can make all the difference in achieving flawless results and expressing your unique style. With so many options available, from liquid to pencil and gel formulations, finding the one that best suits your needs and preferences is key to unlocking your creative potential and ensuring your eye makeup stays put all day long. Number 5. Maybelline Hyper Easy Liquid Pen Eyeliner. Say goodbye to skips, slips, and gaps. Our new liquid liner offers the smoothest glide for a flawless application. The revolutionary flex tip brush and unique grip provide ultimate control. Enjoy intense, smudge-proof color for up to 24 hours. Whether you prefer a natural or dramatic look, we help you create stunning eye makeup. We are the experts in eye makeup. From creating the perfect canvas with our face products to defining your eyes with our liners and mascaras, we have you covered. Complete your look with our lip products. Easily remove all your makeup with Garnier Micellar Water. It gently cleanses your skin, prepping it for your next Maybelline creation. What we like. If you're looking for a liquid eyeliner that glides on effortlessly without any skips or gaps, this is the one. Its innovative flex tip brush and ergonomic grip offer unparalleled control for a flawless application. It's perfect for those who want intense, smudge-proof color that lasts up to 24 hours, making it ideal for a long day or a night out. What people say. The fine felt tip pen makes it easy to create clean lines, whether I want a subtle everyday look or a bold, dramatic wing. The no-skip formula is a game-changer. It glides on evenly without dragging or smudging, which is often a problem with other liquid liners. Another standout feature is the waterproof formula. It stays put through workouts, long days, and even light rain without smudging or fading. Number 4. Vertex Beauty Eyeliner Stencil Tool. Achieve flawless eyeliner in seconds with this innovative tool. It's designed for creating sharp, clean lines, whether you prefer liquid, pencil, or gel formulas. Perfect for both makeup novices and seasoned artists, this stencil makes applying seamless eyeliner and eyeshadow angles incredibly easy. Get professional results with minimal effort. Beyond eyeliner, this tool is also great for defining eyeshadow, contouring your nose, and even shaping your eyebrows. It's a true multitasker for your makeup bag. Created by makeup professionals who understand the challenges of precise application. This patented tool helps you achieve perfect wing tips and defined contours every time. Support a woman-owned, minority-owned small business committed to quality. Our hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free product is safe for your skin and travel-friendly. Say goodbye to smudges and uneven lines. This essential makeup tool ensures precise application for bold winged liner, subtle definition, and stunning eye looks. What we like. For those who struggle to get that perfect winged liner or sharp edge, this tool is a game-changer. It's designed for both beginners and experts to achieve clean, precise lines in seconds, whether for eyeliner, eyeshadow, or even brow contouring. If you want to elevate your makeup game with professional-looking results without the hassle, this is a must-have. What people say. It's very useful for making better eyeliner, and for people who are not skilled at it, it's perfect. This has really been helping to get a crisp wing on both sides. Easy to use. I have hooded eyelids, so this is perfect. Number 3. Lucoss Glitter Liquid Eyeliner and Eyeshadow Kit. Introducing a dazzling new makeup kit designed to make your eyes pop. Get ready to shine with vibrant colors and long-lasting wear. Don't let your look fade. This formula is waterproof, ensuring your makeup stays flawless all day and night, no matter the conditions. Experience the best of both worlds with stunning metallic and sparkling glitter finishes. Create endless captivating looks with these versatile shades. Achieve a look that lasts. The rich pigments provide intense color payoff that stays put without smudging or creasing. Applying your eye makeup has never been easier. The smooth liquid formula glides on effortlessly for a seamless application every time. Elevate your everyday look or get ready for a special occasion. This kit is your secret weapon for beautiful, eye-catching eyes. What we like. If you love adding a touch of glamour and sparkle to your eye makeup, this glitter liquid eyeliner is for you. It delivers a long-lasting, waterproof, and sparkling metallic finish that will make your eyes pop. It's perfect for special occasions or when you want to add an extra bit of dazzle to your everyday look. What people say. It adds sparkle but goes on very sheer for a classy, polished look rather than a heavy look. Stays on all day but washes off easily with soap and water. Glitter liquid eyeliner is a popular makeup product that can add a touch of glamour and sparkle to any eye look. It comes in a tube with a thin brush applicator, making it easy to apply and control. It's nice and opaque, and it's buildable, but all I needed was one swipe. I did use my own angled eyeliner brush, but the applicator or comes. Number 2. Dual-ended black liquid eyeliner. Introducing our innovative dual-ended eyeliner. It's your all-in-one solution for creating the perfect winged cat eye look. The 8mm wing stamp is the ideal size for everyday wear, offering a natural yet defined look. Achieve flawless wings effortlessly. The microfine tip delivers a smooth, fluid, and precise application. Its pointed end makes creating a sharp wing incredibly easy. This unique winged stamp is pre-inked and pre-shaped for your convenience. You can even extend the wing with the felt tip for a bolder statement. Enjoy makeup that stays put all day. It's waterproof, long-lasting, and smudge-proof, ensuring your eyes look impeccable. Rest assured, this product is ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested. Plus, enjoy fast and reliable fulfillment for your peace of mind. What we like. If you're aiming for that perfect winged cat eye but find it difficult to achieve with a regular liner, this dual-ended tool is your solution. It combines a precise felt tip liner with a convenient wing stamp, making it incredibly easy to create sharp, symmetrical wings. It's ideal for anyone who wants a quick, foolproof way to achieve a dramatic eye look that stays put all day. What people say. It doesn't run or smudge. The stamp side gets 5 stars. I've never been able to do winged liner. This stamp took a few trials to get my angles even, but I eventually got it. The ink covers the full stamp and I rarely have spaces which need filled in. I like that the stamp is small, making it perfect for daily wear. These stamps are a makeup girlie's lifesaver. It would take me forever to do my eyeliner. Now it takes me 2 minutes tops if I'm really taking my time. Number 1. BONNIESTORE Winged Eyeliner Stamp 2-Pack. Introducing the dual-ended eyeliner stamp, designed for perfect winged cat eyes. One end helps you outline your eyes, while the stamp creates a quick, natural cat eye look. Enjoy long-lasting, waterproof, and smudge-proof wear throughout the day and night. The rich pigmentation ensures your look stays flawless without needing touch-ups. Using it is incredibly easy. Simply use the winged stamp on the corner of your eye, then connect it with the fine tip liner for a seamless finish. Formulated with natural plant ingredients, this eyeliner is soft, moist, and anti-sweat. You can feel confident using it without worrying about eye irritation. This pack includes 2 eyeliner stamps, 1 for each eye. Achieve a sexy and defined eye makeup look effortlessly. We're confident you'll love this product. If you're not satisfied, we'll gladly offer a replacement or refund. What we like. For those who desire a quick and natural-looking cat eye, this dual-ended eyeliner stamp is a fantastic option. It features a liner pen for precise outlining and a stamp for an easy, quick wing application, with separate stamps for left and right eyes. If you want a smudge-proof, long-lasting look that's simple to achieve, especially for everyday wear, this is a great choice. What people say. The formula is smooth, creamy, and glides on easily without tugging. The color is a deep, true black that looks great in just one swipe. What really stands out is the lipstick-style shape. It makes application incredibly easy and controlled, even for someone who isn't great with traditional gel pots or brushes. You just twist and apply, no mess. It lasts all day and is very easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.